Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Santogram National Model School, Latur. I'm your teacher, Mr. Sachin Suryavanshi. So, in this video series, we are seeing the natural resources, and in this second part, we are learning soil as a natural resource. So, third type of soil we are going to see here. It is the laterite type of soil. In previous videos, we have seen mountain soil and the second type of soil, that is alluvial soil. So we are going to see here the laterite soil. As you can see, the image is clear on the screen. It is a little reddish type of soil. It means that it is having little red color. This type of soil, you can see here in the image. This type of soil is called as the laterite soil. And where you can find with respect to the location, we need to see 3 points here. While learning the soil, we need to see 3 points here. The first one is the location, the second one is few features about that soil, and third one, what grows here. That is what grows in this type of soil. So let's see where you are able to find this type of soil. That is the laterite soil. Laterite soil actually develops in areas where there is a high temperature and high rainfall. The areas where you are having very high temperature, not very, but very high temperature and highest rainfall is there. Okay, there are some regions in our India where you can find this laterite soil, and at those places the temperature is high, there is a humidity, and there is always a high rainfall there. So in such regions you can find the laterite soil, and this laterite soil is actually a result of intense leaching due to the tropical rains, or you can say due to the heavy rainfall. This laterite soil has been formed, and how it has been formed? It has been formed due to intense leaching. And what does get means leaching means just getting drained away. Okay, getting washed or getting drained, that will be called as leaching. So due to intense leaching, we get this laterite soil, and what gets leached away, what gets drained away, what is washed from this soil? The lime and silica are these are the two components which are leached away, and the soil becomes rich in iron oxide, and due to that we get this red color of the soil. Lime and silica are the two contents which get washed away with the rain. Due to that we get the laterite soil, and what remains behind in the soil, we are having iron oxide, due to which we get the red color of the for this soil. Also aluminum compounds are also left behind, and you can say this laterite soil is rich in iron. Okay, now this laterite soil is poor in organic matter. This laterite soil is poor in organic matter, as well as it is also poor in some compounds, or you can say some nutrients like nitrogen, phosphate and calcium. These three things are also less in less quantity in this type of soil, and it is also poor in organic matter. Now where you are able to find this laterite soil? There are some states, particularly the Karnataka, the southern part of Karnataka, the Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and some parts of Madhya Pradesh. These are some of the states where you are able to find this laterite soil. Also, in the north, there are some pockets, small pockets or small regions are there where you can find the laterite soil in northeastern states. You are having northeastern states like Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh. These northeastern states, they're having evergreen forest, and there also you can find laterite soil. Now, what grows properly in this laterite soil? Crops like tea, coffee, and cashew nuts. These are some of the crops which grow very well in the laterite soil. So let's move to the next type of soil. It is the sandy desert or arid soil. Where you can find this sandy desert or arid soil? You can find it in the dry areas. As you can see clearly in the image, it is a dry area. Means wherever water scarcity is there, at such places you are able to find this sandy desert and arid type of soil. And where are the dry regions? Yes, Rajasthan state is very popular for that. So this Rajasthan state is having mostly, and also there are some parts of Gujarat region also, Gujarat state also, where you can find this sandy desert or arid type of soil. Okay, the due to evaporation you can say, or due to less water, or you can say the soil here, it is little having salt content in it. Okay, little means the it is salty in nature, or you can say it is saline in nature. So this type of soil is considered as a poor type of soil. Okay, so this soil is called as the sandy desert or arid type of soil. Does anything grow here in this sandy or arid soil? Is there anything which can grow, as you are having poor, means the soil is considered as poor, this soil is considered as saline. Does anything grow here? Yes, even with these conditions, the uh, crops like means some grams and millets can be grown here very properly, but that too with proper irrigation. If irrigation will not be there, these grams, even the grams and millets will not grow very properly here. So these are some of the types of soil we have seen in this video. In next video, we would be seeing red soil and black soil. Right? So stay tuned and watch our videos. Till then, bye everyone.